Imagine an AI tool so advanced it doesn't just assist you, it anticipates your needs, learns from your workflow, and delivers results faster than you can say artificial intelligence. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, not anymore. Meet Grok3, the AI tool that's redefining what's possible in the world of automation, data analysis, and decision-making. In a world where AI tools are popping up faster than ever, Grok3 stands out as a game changer. Whether you're a data scientist, a business leader, or a creative professional, this tool promises to revolutionize how you work. But here's the real question. Does it live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into Grok3, its groundbreaking features, its performance in real-world scenarios, and the potential pitfalls you need to know about. By the end of this review, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Grok3 is the AI powerhouse you've been waiting for. So buckle up because we're about to explore the future of AI tools. And trust me, you don't want to miss this.